Hi everyone, my name is Farrell and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm creating a new series. Basically, in this series, I will vibe coding a project, but instead of dependent on AI, I actually learn the structure, function, and more. Then, document the process into this YouTube video. So I hope you enjoy it guys. Without further ado, let's get into the video. What's up everyone, this is my project. In the last video, I created calm flow to help people calm. And today I'm gonna make some change to the website right now. So here's the website looks. Beautiful right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I want to completely remake the homepage or landing page if you will. For now, the website only has one purpose. It's just printing guide with this blue circle and other stuff. Basically, it's just one app. But now, I want to add more features, more apps, and squeeze it into one compact website. So, the plan for this video is, first, I want to change the homepage. Then, I will add more apps to the website. The app we will creating today is Pomodoro Timer. For those who don't know, Pomodoro is cycle, so you study for 45 minutes, then break for 5 minutes. You can read the definition here if you want. So let's make a new homepage. And here's the prompt I use. First, I explain what I want. Then, I specify my thoughts so the AI can understand me. And finally, I ask AI to do it for me. I'm not a prompt engineer, but hopefully it will work. And it did not work. So I have better prompt. This time, I will be more specific about things. And here we go. Now the homepage is changed. As you can see, the UI is not the best. So let's plan the UI for this homepage. First, let's move the calm flow to the top center of the page. Done. Now let's add the list of our apps. Okay, now let's add divider just below our title. Let's add brief description. Now I will make a feature where if you hover the cursor on the button, there will be a brief description of that apps. Now it's time to add my second app, Pomodoro Timer. And I will route the app to /Pomodoro. Okay, let's build the app. Let's search an image to use it as background. I am gonna use this image I grabbed from the internet. I will put the image in /background. I created two files, pomodoro.tsx and pomodoro.css. Then I got the background in .css file. Now let's create the timer in the center of the app. And done. Let's make it more aesthetic. I will change the font to Arvo, then set the background to gradient transparent. Pomodoro has 4 sessions. It consists of 3 short breaks and 1 long break. So let's add a button to switch between work session time and break time. Now the essential is done, and we will add settings menu in the right edge of the page. Now our app have setting menu. I also add animation when you hover the settings logo. I make smooth appearing animation using keyframe and set UI configuration for settings panel in pomodoro.css. Next, I will code settings for music selector. Before that, I need to group my music in a folder, so I saved it in public/music. So I'm using client-side component to play and loop the music. In pomodoro.css, I style the UI to be more like drop-down menu. The next thing I wanna add is themes settings. For that, I'm gonna group the image in background folder. In pomodoro.css, I also style the themes selector to be grid based inspired by Apple design. Now the settings will look like this. We can change the music and themes. Now let's add more essential features, which is timer settings, where we can change or modify the timer. Okay, the timer is now below the general tab, and let's add one more feature, and that will be bell sounds, so that user will notice if the timer ends. Okay, the bell is added, and now everything is done, I guess. Just one more check to do. Let's check the mobile interface. Okay, now I will try to inspect the page. Then click on this tiny button to switch from PC to mobile UI. And would you look at that? It's get a little bit error. Let's check on breathing guide. Okay, it's fine. So the error appears to be just in the home page we just created and in the Pomodoro timer. So let's fix that. After a little bit of debugging, now the UI for mobile device is fixed. Yay! Thanks for Gemini for helping me out. Now there is one more thing to do. I will push this to my GitHub. Let's start with git init. Now git add dot git commit dash m update v2. Okay, I added my repository. Now for the last step, we'll push this project to origin main. There we go. Okay guys, I pushed the project to my GitHub and Vercel updated automatically for me. If you want to visit my app, go to calm-flow.vercel.app. I will put link in the description. That's for the video. Leave a like if you enjoy it, subscribe so you will not miss any update of my channel. That's it for today and see you next time.